Changing your bank account on Wahoo System is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information. Step 1. Login. Access your Wahoo System account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update bank accounts. In the payment information section, you will see an option to edit or change your bank account. Enter the new bank account details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for the Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new bank account is now linked to your Wahoo System account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wahoo System customer support for assistance.